Hi, I'm Julian Peters. I'm president of Ampetronic, based in the UK. We are, for the last 26 years, we've been market leader in inductive loop solutions. These are assistive listening systems that work through a magnetic field, transmitting sound directly to hearing aids. In other parts of the world, induction loop technology is the default assistive listening system. This is the technology that's preferred by most hard of hearing groups and is put in first before considering any other technology. This hasn't been the case in the US, but over the last 2 years there's been a huge resurgence in interest, driven by those grassroots hard of hearing groups who are saying, give me a technology that really works for me. That interest has led to a great deal more demand, and so over the last 18 months we've started to work with Listen Technologies, and we now have an exclusive distribution in the Americas with Listen Technology for our products. And we have a huge amount of interest coming from all of the system contractor, the integrator marketplace, a lot of interest throughout the show so far. We're also here with some new products. These are what we call array drivers, multi-loop drivers. Modern building structures tend to have a lot of metal in them, and metal and magnetic fields interfere with each other. So we have design solutions that allow us to create more complex arrays of loops that give us exactly the magnetic field that we need, exactly where we want it, and exactly where we don't want it. We can control that. To do that, we need two output channels, phase shifted, with an audio phase shift of 90 degrees between them. In the past, this has been done with multiple systems. We are bringing these products to market which give completely integrated solutions in a very compact box. This solution here, the MLD9, Multi-Loop Driver 9, is the most powerful output induction loop driver on the market. But it contains two channels in a single rack space. The thermal management is in a class of its own. So what you would need to do with other manufacturers' equipment is use something like 8 to 10 rack spaces to achieve the same output. So this is a pretty big deal for system integrators. We've condensed this down into a single rack space, and if you're thinking about something like a university where you're putting systems into a lectern, rack space is really at a premium, and there's a real dollar cost to those rack spaces. So this is a big step forwards for those applications. They're very cost effective. They're also built for fit and forget reliability. Ampetronic puts 5-year warranties on all its equipment, but with these products we've taken that a level further. We put in extra levels of thermal protection, we put extra levels of short circuit protection, we put belt and braces in this, so the loop system, once it's in, it's there for good, and fit and forget. So these are the multi-loop drivers, and we're excited to be showing them at InfoComm at the moment. If you want to see more details, then obviously come to Listen Technologies website or to ampetronic.com. There's plenty more to see there.